Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing really good and everyone must be busy with their festivals because Christmas is over but New Year and other festivals are coming on because we are going to step up into the New Year. So really excited and we really need some delicious foods and drinks as well. So here we go. Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies. It's really easy to make. So before jumping into the video, I would like to remind you all, do comment your favorite dish on our videos and let us know what you really like and we'll feature your comment on our upcoming videos. So yeah, it's time to do it. We'll jump into the video now. We'll see how to make chocolate chip cookies. Now take a bowl and add 125 grams of butter. Now add 100 grams of white sugar. Add 100 grams of light brown sugar. Now use a spatula to make it creamy mixture. So once the spatula is making it a very creamy mixture, you can start adding an egg. Add vanilla essence. Mix it with the spatula again. So you can use spoon instead of spatula if you don't have it, but recommended is spatula to make it. Add 180 grams of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add half teaspoon of salt. Now sift it into the mixture. Once it's sifted, start mixing the mixture using the spatula. So now you can see the mixture is getting thicker and creamy. So it's time to add 260 grams of chocolate chips. Mix the chocolate chips using the spatula and do not let it break. So once it's not broken, so when we are baking it, it will be very tasty. It will melt and become a very tasty mixture. So now use a spoon and take the required dough. Now make a round shape and press it and place it on the tray. Continue the process for the entire dough. Refrigerate it for an hour. And now it's time to transfer the refrigerated dough into a baking tray. Now place the baking tray onto the oven and start baking. You have to bake it for 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. So you see, it's really nice to see while it's baking. Now the chocolate chips which we have mixed into that will melt and it will be in a very perfect mixture. So use the forceps and take the tray out. And now your cookies is ready. So yeah, we are done with the video. We saw how to make chocolate chip cookies. It's really easy. So I know most of us are really sad about 2020 because it has been a very bad year for many of us. Maybe it might have been a very good for some, but still we are really happy to enter to this 2021 because so excited how the year is going to be. So nothing is going to be very sad. So do step into the new year with a happy face and happy tummy. So we'll get started with the making of this chocolate chip cookies. So do try it at your home and let us know how it turned out. And we are so excited to see your comments. Do drop your favorite dish on our comment box. We'll feature your comments on our next video. See you on next video. Until that, good day.